Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry cream cheese Danish. First, let's prepare our pastry base. You'll need 1 sheet of pre-made puff pastry or crescent roll dough. Gently roll it out to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Then, cut the dough into 9 equal squares, each approximately 3 inches by 3 inches. Arrange these squares on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each one for expansion. Next, let's create that irresistible cream cheese filling. In a bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then, add 1 large egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Beat these ingredients together until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Now, take about 1 tablespoon of this delicious filling and place it right in the center of each pastry square. Now for the star of the show, our strawberry topping. Thinly slice fresh strawberries, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Carefully arrange 3 to 4 of these beautiful strawberry slices on top of each cream cheese dollop. To assemble, take 2 opposite corners of each pastry square and fold them towards the center, overlapping slightly. Gently press down on these folded corners to secure them, creating a lovely little pocket for our filling. Finally, it's time to bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the Danishes for 15 to 18 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. While they cool slightly, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk to create a simple, sweet glaze. Once the Danishes have cooled, drizzle this delicious glaze over them. Enjoy your homemade strawberry cream cheese Danishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.